Hello and welcome back to VBA by DM, your trusted source for Excel VBA mastery. I am Naneshwar Manjul and today we are diving into a fundamental topic in VBA programming, that is variable and data types. But before we embark on this exciting journey, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and write the notification bell so you stay updated on all our Excel VBA tutorials. Now let's get started with variables and data types. Let's kick things off by understanding what variables are in the world of programming. A variable is like a container. It holds data that your program can use or manipulate. Think of it as a labeled box where you can store different types of information such as numbers, text, or dates. Please take a look at the screenshot where I have outlined all the variables that we will be utilizing in our upcoming videos. Now let's dive deeper and see how to declare variable in VBA. Declaring a variable is like creating a label for your box, telling VBA what type of data it will hold. Now let's see practically how to declare a variable in VBA. I am in VBA editor under this declare variable module. Okay, so here we are going to declare three variables. Okay, that is text which can hold name, then numeric which can hold a number, and third is like a date which can hold today's date, and we'll show all these information using message box. So let's declare a variable. So in order to declare a variable, there is a syntax in VBA. So first you have to type dim, then variable name, that is text name as string. Okay. So let's understand what it's exactly saying. So dim is it's a syntax in VBA. Okay. So it can recognize that this line is going to declare a variable. Okay, so what is the name of that variable? It's a text name. And what type of variable that will be? String means text type of variable which can store a name. Okay, let assign a name to this variable. So how to assign any value to the variable? So type variable name text name equal to, and let me type here in double quote VBA by DM. So this particular variable is going to store the value, that is this string VBA by DM. Okay. Now let's declare one numeric type variable. So that is dim, then num value as integer. So whenever we wanted to store any numeric value, that is whole number, it has to be declared as integer. Now let's assign one number to this integer type of variable. So num value equal to, let me put here 1000. Okay. And third variable, uh, let's declare a variable which can hold today's date. Okay, so for that, dim today's date as date. Let's assign today's date to this today's date variable. So to that, type this variable name today's date and equal assign now. So now function will hold today's date. Okay, and that will get stored into this today's date variable. Now let's print all this information using message box. So to show a message, we have to write msgbox. So first we are going to display name. So that is txt name. Okay. Then second message, let me copy and paste all these variable. We can copy and paste simple. Okay, and second variable name is nothing but num value. Okay, and third is today's date. Today's date. Now let's run this program and check what result we will get. So see, so first is VBA by DM. So and if I click on this OK, another that is 1000, and third is today's date along with timestamp. Okay, so you might wonder why it's showing message one by one. And so in VBA world, like in any other programming, once you write any statement to show a message box that will hold your screen till you click on that OK. So each message box will display one by one sequentially. There you have it, variable and data types in Excel VBA. These are the building blocks of VBA programming, and mastering them is essential. If you found this tutorial helpful and are eager to continue your Excel VBA journey, don't forget to subscribe to VBA by DM and hit that notification bell. We have plenty more exciting Excel topics VBA coming your way. Question or specific topic you would like us to cover in future videos? Share them in comments below. Thanks for joining me today on VBA by DM, and I will see you in our next VBA adventure.